added hygiene, and you added careful lifestyle. You don't go for alcohol, you don't go for umaraya. And we dealt with malaria, sleeping under the bed nets. How many diseases would remain? Because most of the diseases are covered. Now, the obstetrics you are talking about, if you go to the health center 3, if you do antenatal, they call it antenatal, they would have seen your baby inside the womb, how the baby is. But people don't do that. So, when we started, the health center cities were supposed to be 1 per sub-county. At that time, we had like 2,000 sub-counties. I'm sure I have not checked. But if you check, you may find that all the old sub-counties already now have health center 3, the old ones. The ones they say don't have are the new ones. I will check it. And the reason we selected the sub-county is that it is because I know what a sub-county is. I know the ones of Ankorea, I know the ones in Ruero here, like Semuto, Gobakuzarawa and Nalongo.
Masaka Sera.
Masaka sijimanyi bulungi abana buddu abo nabayita mbuyisi. Naye Ruero jemanyi. If you take like Semuto sub-county, from Semuto to the boundary with Makurubita, just 2 miles, Maware. From there to the boundary with Kapeka, like 3 miles. So the reason we said health center 3 at the sub-county, you could even walk to the sub-county. You didn't even have to use means. But people don't concentrate on this. They don't listen. They don't. So if there was this proper antenatal, a lot of those problems could be avoided. But I have heard your statement about the premature and the incubators and all that. I will check. That one I don't want to talk about what I'm not sure about.
Thank you so much.
But I can tell you, if we use the prevention, you get rid of 70% of the sicknesses. The last one.
Neyanzanyo His Excellency amanya nze mwesigwa David nga nkola ne Galaxy TV. Mugwo mukaga lwe nali mu State House, His Excellency natusa report gye wali nga nkugamba nti amalwaliro naddala ery'emukono Kayunga ne Namuganga Health Center siri mulimu obuzibu bugamba nti mu ddwaliro ly'emukono General Hospital abakazi bazaalira wansi. N'abazadde ku ssaawa 9 bwe zituuka ssaawa 10-11 kibakakatako kubagamba muveeyo ku bitanda mugende ebweru. Ne weekanga omwana eyazaddwa ng'ali mu mbeera ennungi ng'afunye ammonia kusinziira ku mpewo gy'aba afunye ebweru. Ne nkuleetera ripoota endala. Kayunga General Hospital oxygen plants zaazikira. Kati tutemu akamulamba n'ekitundu. Ne nkuleetera Namuganga Health Center 3 nti eddwaliro ddamba lirina abasawo 4 naye weekend tekola. His Excellency n'osuubiza nti ogenda kukikwatako. Naye since then ne kaakati tetulabangako kigenda mu maaso. Abakazi bakyeyongera kuzaalira wansi ekyo kimu. Ekyokubiri weeyongeddeko n'omuze nti omwana omukazi eyandibadde n'amaanyi agazaala kimukakatako kumusindika mu operation bokusobola kweyolera omusimbi. Kyesitegera obunafu His Excellency buli side ki buli eri Ministry of Health eri abakulira amalwaliro oba mu ba RDC and DSOs. Neyanzanyo Mr. Excellency. Simanyoba amanyago ani amanya nze mwesigwa David nga nkola ne Galaxy TV.
Simanya oba mwesigwa nampayiriza simanyi kubanga sitera kwerabira, but I don't remember very well. But fortunately now totumye wetukide mwesigwa kati nabanja lyawo nabanja yingira musonga ya mwesigwa munango ntase mwesigwa kubanga obampayirizo kubanga sibijukira bulungi. But mwesigwa, you see what you are saying Omanyize kindabye wano mu Uganda kunyooma. Simanyi kunyooma, obutafaayo, obutawuliriza. Mwesigwa sooka owulirize onakolagana ne Nabanja oluvannyuma. Simanyi oba kunyooma oba ki, kubanga owulira Mwesigwa byagamba. Omujjuzo oguli mu district hospital Mukono gyagamba is already a district hospital. Kayunga is a district hospital. The plan was decentralize all those problems to the health center 3 so that you have got less numbers. Omujjuzo ogwo ebitanda biweddewo okusula ku lubalaza okuzaala in the veranda. It's because the plan was never listened to. Because how many people are giving birth in a sub-county? They are not the same numbers when you gather to, you bring all the Bakunja, you bring all the other people, they all come to Mukono. The number is bigger. So there's some issue of discipline. Mulago is supposed to be a referral hospital. But people turned it into a primary health care hospital. Owomusujja wekidukano agenda Mulago. Even when we built Kawempe, we built this other one, Chirudu, said mutandikire bonna. So the issue of discipline, discipline. I think also the leaders don't insist. Because if there was, you count how many health centers I will check when I come in the afternoon on the rally. I will talk about it. How many health centers we have now? Do you know?
Your Excellency, we have 1,553 health centers 3s. 1,500.
And how many were the old sub-counties?
They were less than 1,000.
Yeah, no, they were like 1,200.
And then we have 230 health center 4s. Because where we put a health center 3, where we had a health center 4, we don't put health center 3. So if you add 1,500 health center 3s, then 2,030 health center 4s, that gives you 1,700 sub-counties, each with a health unit.
Yes. Yes, sir. So I can conclude here, Mwesigwa, and all of you, by giving you example of our time. Mom and myself, we were born in a place called Ruhama. Ruhama was together with Rwampara. They were one. It was all called Rwampara. Now that time, what they were calling a dispensary, what you can call a health center 3, was only one in Chinoni. Now Chinoni is 25 miles from Ntungamo, where we were born, and is 15 miles from Mbarara. And Rwampara would go from Mbarara on the way to Kabare up to mile 48. And we had only one health center, equivalent of one health center 3. Now, all those sub-counties have health center 3s. The ones over Rwampara, Muizi, Bugamba. Biaranga can check for me later on. You tell me how many health center 3s are in Rwampara. The old Rwampara, which was Rwampara Ruhama. How many are there now? I know that in our time it was one. So that was our strategy. Have more health centers so that you deal with all the prevention there. What should be going to the district hospital should be, we even provided for surgery at the health center 4. Surgery at health center 4. But they don't use it. Babuka. So they all come and... Thank you so much.
You asked for 6 and the last one is this one.
Oh.
Thank you, Your Excellency. My name is Erios Namugambe. I work with Channel 44. I will also ask mine in Luganda.
Okay.
Echange chikwata ku byanjigiriza. Wayogedde ku byenjigiriza ebyobwerere bye wateekawo naddala mu masomero aga primary. Naye mangi ku masomero gano mu byalo eyeewala abaana basomera wansi mu miti. Ate n'abasomesa ennaku zino babadde beekalakaasa nga tebasasulwa ssente bulungi. Netono ze balina obbasasula ate kumpi balina zikubira bikonde tebazifuna. Abaana bangi ennaku zino tebakyasoma abali mu byalo. Ogenda kukola otya mu kisanja kino okulaba ng'ensonga eno egonjoolwa ate era mu byalo eyo amasomero agasinga tegali nnyo kumpi n'abayizi bangi bakyatambula eŋŋendo empanvu. Ogenda kikola otya mu kisanja kino Jjajja Mwami?
Now, let's see how many primary schools do we have now? Government ones, if you know.
Your Excellency, we have 12,549 primary schools run by government.
12,000.
12,000, yes, sir.
Oli muzukulu amanya g'omuzukulu abadani?
Erios Namugambe.
Na?
Namugambe.
Namugambe.
Yes.
Now, Namugambe, pulani gye twatandika nayo yali okufuna essomero lya gavumenti erya primary bulumuluka. Owulidde Namugambe? Va ku byabyalo hanga aleme okudiverting, owuliriza ebya Jjajja Mwami. Kati you check the parishes. When we started, I remember the parishes were like 5,000.
So when we started the UPE, the parishes which had a primary school were 6,880. We now have 12,000 primary schools. So we have like doubled the number of...
No, but how many were the parishes?
I will check that.
Yes. For me, I think the parishes were about 5,000. So I think by now, all the old parishes may have already got a primary school.
We now have primary schools in 6,200 parishes.
But these are new ones.
Yeah, including the new one. All the old ones have now.
Yes.
All of them have.
Yes.
We have now exceeded all the old ones.
So the problem is again of tough because come to the microphone, Namugambe. So twatandika nkakasa n'emiruka yali nga 15, I think, but we can check. And the plan was make sure there is a government primary school per parish. Abaana basobole okutambula n'ebigere bagende basome bakomewo. I think now, but the local government keep increasing the parishes. But if you increase, for instance, like in our parish of Mama and myself, the one of Chikoni, we used to have one primary school somewhere there. Now there are like 4. But even if we maintained the old one, the one we had in that parish, children could have walked or cycled to the school and go back and study. But so I will check the number and answer you properly in some of the. I think the density, because what we're talking about is the density. The density of the schools is not enough. Kati abana abasomesa okubasasula, we are paying them better than the private schools. Do you know that? Emisala gye banyooma eya government. I think Mama would want to say something on that. Do you remember anything? She will check, but the emisala, people like Tayewa know something about, you know about schools. Come and say something. How will they pay which these teachers are looking down upon in the government schools compared to what they are paid in private? The arts teachers now, the ones who are striking.
Mzee, most of the teachers in the art schools are not even paid in the private schools. Because when we go to the village and we engage with them, especially the ones in the rural schools, they are not even paid. But now the biggest quarrel with the teachers in Mzee has not been even the amount they are earning. They are only saying you have given so and so the science much more. So we also want to take what you've given the other party. So but Mzee, most like up country, around 200,000.
But in the private schools?
Yes, in the primary schools, for private.
How much are they paid?
Around 200,000.
Nabanja, you know something?
In the private schools, Mzee, not government.
So Namugambe, guno omusala gwe banyoma gusingira ddala kibasasola mu private schools. And regarding the difference between the scientists and the arts, it is because we want your economy to develop. In order for the economy to develop, these roads need engineers to look after them, the engineers. The power stations need electrical engineers. The hospitals need doctors. The coffee and agriculture needs extension workers, scientists. So that's why we said, yes, I am a person of arts, literature, I'm a man of literature. I can quote for you Shakespeare, what Shakespeare said and all that. But when there is a problem on the road, I can't help you. So we are saying, Banange, let's start with the scientists because they are fewer, but they are needed immediately. Later on we shall go to the arts. For them they say, no, if we all don't get, nobody gets. Now that's what we cannot accept. That is so much selfishness where you say, if I don't get, nobody else gets. In the bush, we had no food. I keep telling you this. But if there was little food, we would give it to the soldier who is on duty that day. You eat more so that you don't kusumagira, and they come and kill us. Yes, I am a commander, I am senior to you, but you get more food because we need you now. Nabanja, banyonyere kukya sasolo y'abasomesa aba arts mu government schools and the private ones. Ate yogera mu Luganda kubanga Oluganda olusinga olwange.
Oweekitiibwa President, mu gavumenti omusomesa afuna essente entono ennyo, afuna $5,800 buli mwezi gross. Kakati mu private schools bafuna emitwalo okuva ku $20,000, abamu bafuna na $15,000 ate basasula mu bitundutundu, ate oluusi mu holidays tibabasasula. Oweekitiibwa President, waliwo abasomesa okusinziira ku budde bwe bamaze nga basomesa. Abasomesa abamu kaŋŋambe nga abaluddewo nga basomesa naddala aba head teachers bafuna wakati w'N9,800 oluusi okutuuka ku million aba private. Mukama wange President, watulagira okufeezinga abasomesa bano okuva 2019. Baludde nga tubongezaako, si kituufu nti tetwongezangako. Ate noddamu n'olagira juuzi emabegako mu 2024 nti abantu bonna abali mu arts tubongeze omusaala okutandikira ku ba security abo twabakozeeko omwaka guno, ate omwaka oguddako 2026-2027 watugamba tubongeze ebitundu 25, then mu myaka 3 tube nga tuli mu bitundu 7. Oweekitiibwa President, aba arts bwe bati bwe bali. ate nga tujja kubongeza kubanga kyolagira tewali akiddamu.
So nolwekyo those fellows are selfish. They don't tebalowooza ku nsi yaabwe, beerowooza ko bokka. That's why we cannot they should go back to work. They are very selfish. For abasirikale tubadde tufuna omusaala mitono emyaka gino gyonna, myaka 5 mu 5 nze ndwana, tebansasola olusi bwe bansasola katono naye nendwana ndi wano timundaba. Even now, you know how much salary I earn? Do you know, Namugambe? They pay me 3.6 million. Nenjako 20% for the NRM. Mama wanasigaza ku account here 2.7 million. Nagani kuongeza omusaala kubanga nagamba sisobola kweyongeza omusaala when abantu abakozi ba gavumenti abawansi bakyafuna ntono. So it's not salary, it is service and building our country, and then if we are still there we shall be well paid, if not our children will be well paid. Okuzimba ensi yaffe sikukayanira ebitaliiwo. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and thank you to everybody.
So Julius Msigu has dismissed us.
Julius Muchunguzi, on behalf of the commission, thanks you for coming.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Huh? No, Twaje. What's in there? Twaje.
That was a good one. So, how are you? Good. How are you? Good to see you.